Enhance your industrial equipment with the SNOPENS HUTFLICKERBUZZERRUNNINGIND 209B PCB card. Maximize your industrial efficiency with the SNOPENS HUTFLICKERBUZZERRUNNINGIND 209B PCB card. This robust card ensures reliable performance across diverse industrial applications. 209B PCB card. Known for its reliable operation, this card seamlessly integrates into various applications. Its robust design ensures it remains a valuable addition to any existing system, enhancing functionality and efficiency. Transform your industrial systems with the SNOPENS HUTFLICKERBUZZERRUNNINGIND 209B PCB card. Choose the SN209B for superior industrial performance and a smarter operational approach. This card is designed to consistently perform in demanding industrial environments. Trust the 209B PCB card to deliver the performance you need to keep your operations running efficiently. The precision of the 209B PCB card, crafted for high-quality performance. Identified by part number 209B, this card is engineered to excel in demanding industrial environments. Its consistent performance ensures reliability, making it a vital component for maintaining operational efficiency. This ensures it remains effective in demanding industrial environments. Its robust design guarantees continued performance, making it indispensable for maintaining operational efficiency. Thank you for trusting us.